Morning, time check 6:46 AM. Nandito kami sa Atok Benguet. Pupunta tayo sa Sakura Farm tsaka sa Mount Olis. Joke lang. Sakura Farm lang. May aso. Ganda ng view. Ano pa mga to? Carrot. Sa baba taniman ng carrot. At wala tayong makikitang hamog, pero malamig ang hangin, pero mainit yung sikat ng araw. CJ Pearls Budaw. Dito ba yun sa kabila? Dito pa ng Mount Olis. Tayo sa main lang nun, no? Tayo dito ba ibabagsakan sana natin nun, no? Boss, ito yung pinagtanungan natin, di ba? Yung boss lane yan, no? Malaking kalsada. Yan na yata yun, no? Sakura Park. Asan ang Sakura dyan? Sakura Park, Benguet Kochi Sisterwood Park. Tignan nga muna natin sa taas kung ano makikita natin dyan sa baba. May sasakyan sa likod. Ay, hindi worth it yung bayad natin. Ganyan lang siya. Sige, go. Hatsupa. Hindi siya.
May konti lang eh.
Kaya nga.
Mahaba, tapos pwede ka mag-picture sa gitna.
Kaya nga eh.
Baka meron pa sa baba.
Ang mahal pa ng entrance, oh. Admission fee. Try natin umakyat dun sa taas. Sa ano, sa Instagram ang ganda-ganda niya. Baka hindi kasi ngayon ang panahon. Paano?
Nakukid.
Ayoko, baba ka, ikot ako. Takot na takot pumasok, samantalang yung mga kilalang vlogger kung saan saan nagsusuot. Papunta yan sa Mount Olis maganda rin dun
Enchanted, ano?
Ano na lang tayo, ikot na lang tayo ng Kabayan Benguet, Carrots. Labas natin Aritaw.
Bakit yung mga
Yeah.
up. Meron pa talaga yan.
Sige, mababa ko na. So ayun, dito tayo ngayon sa Sakura Park, Benguet, Kochi, Paway. Pero napagdesisyonan namin na wag na lang pumasok kasi ang balak namin ngayon, change plan kami, punta na lang kami ng Kabayan Benguet. Iikot kami to Kabayan Benguet, Bugyas, Kabayan Benguet to Aritaw. Nueva Vizcaya. Ganda ng bundok. Ganda kaya, ayan blue na blue. Ay, baba na lang tayo ng Bugyas. Hindi na kami pumasok ng Sakura Park kasi hindi naman fully bloom yung mga bulaklak. So hindi pa worth it pumasok ngayon. Anong month kaya maganda pumunta dyan, no? Yung fully bloom talaga lahat ng bulaklak. Comment down below. Parang ang daming followers. $150 nga pala ang entrance sa Sakura Park. Medyo nang hinayang kami sa price kasi kakaunti lang ng mga bulak-bulak. Wala din yung Sakura. Ang Sakura sa Japan nagbo-bloom siya ng parang December, gano'n. Kung kailan may malapit na bumagsak yung snow or before bumagsak yung snow. Basta ewan ko. Pero yung Sakura dyan mukha naman legit na Sakura from Japan kasi Kochi siya parang Benguet Kochi, parang collaboration ng Philippine Japan kineme. Hindi siya local Sakura natin. Meron naman kasi tayong Sakura na blossom, Sakura blossom, pero local. Ayun highest point view deck. Pag na dito na lang, maganda rin naman ang view. Ikot tayo ngayon sa second highest point. Dating highest point, ngayon second highest point na lang siya kasi ang highest point ngayon ay nasa Pinok na. Ganda ng part na yun, no?
Yesterday, found myself in the city near Piccadilly. Don't really know how I got here. I got some pictures on my phone, new names and numbers that I don't know. Address to places like Abbey Road. Take turns tonight, night turns to whatever we want. We're young enough to say, oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This could really be the good life, good life. I say, oh, this feeling that you can't fight. The city is a fire night. This could really be a good life, a good, good life. To my friends in New York, I say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado. Sometimes there's airplanes I can't jump out. Sometimes there's bullshit that don't work now. We got our stories, but please tell me what there's to complain about. When you're happy like a fool, you let it take you over. When everything is out, you gotta take it in. Oh, this has gotta be a good life. This has gotta be a good life. This could really be a good life, good life. I say, oh, this feeling that you can't fight. The city is a fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good, good life. A good life. Hopelessly, I feel like there might be something that I'll miss. Hopelessly, I feel like the window closes so quick. Hopelessly, I'm taking a mental picture of you now. 'Cause hopelessly, the hopeless we have so much to feel good about. Oh, this has gotta be good life. This has gotta be good life. This could really be good life, good life. I say, oh, got this feeling that you can't fight. This city is a fire night. This could really be good life, a good, good life. A good, good life, good life. Good life. Listen to my friends in New York, I say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado. Sometimes there's airplanes you can't jump out. Sometimes bullshit that don't work now. We all got our stories, but please tell me what there's to complain about.
Welcome to Bugyas. Sa Bugyas na tayo. Tayo nag-picture na. Ano? Nakapagdaan na natin. hangin. Ang sarap sa ilong ng fresh air. Sabi ni Lord, mahal. Wait. Ang ganda doon sa dulo. Doon tayo galing. Sarap ng hangin. Lumalaban sa init ng araw. Sarap ng hangin lumalaban sa init ng araw. So, dito nga tayo sa Views. Okay. So ayan, good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Amgalegay View Deck dito sa Bogyas. At tignan nyo naman ang view. Napakaganda ng view. Amgalegay. Ganda. Sarap ng hangin. Dito sa baba.
Kami hagdan.
pa rin. Kabilang side ng Bugyas tayo kasi Bugyas doon. Tapos sa akin na tayo.
You're waking me up, starting a new day, burning a flame, giving me faith to pray. The stories unfold, storms keep on twisting me, but I've got it all, knowing you have faith in me. Opening my eyes, 'cause you made me see everything I am. Didn't take much time for the love you give to change me. Wake slowly, stay with me. Everything you say, part of a new day. So holy, you know me. Everything you say, part of a new day. Like a tree in my soul, you make sure I never fall. Queen of the sea, that's who you are to me. Opening my eyes, 'cause you made me see everything I am. Didn't take much time for the love you give to change me. Wake slowly, stay with me. Everything you say, part of a new day. So holy, you know me. Everything you say, part of a new day. Part of a new day. Part of a new day that comes. Part of a new day. Part of a new day that loves. Part of a new day. Wake slowly, stay with me. Everything you say, part of a new day. So holy, you know me. Everything you say, part of a new day. Everything you say, part of a new day. Everything you say, part of a new day.
Bugyas kabilang side. Bugyas din doon eh. Doon kami galing, no? Doon. Sa kabilang part ng bundok. Kami galing. Baba ka muna. Doon kami galing kanina from Atok, Benguet. Ito, dito sa part na to, Atok. Tapos Bugyas. Pero nandito pa rin kami sa may Bugyas pa rin to, kabilang part. Ganda. Tirik ang araw. Mainit. Landslide prone area. Ito na. Nabalutan. Masarap mag-camping yun. Pro camping. Nakakatakot yung pababa, baka maubos yung preno natin. Pero ang ganda ng view. Ayoko na, baba na tayo, kinakabahan ako. Sakay ka na. Ubos preno natin na ito. Putik na yan. Ang tarik pababa.
Tapos wala tayong repair tool.
Nangangamoy na ata.
Bukas camera mo.
Baka magaya tayo kila ano, yung nagbaga yung ano, bumaga yung preno. Sila AJ ba yun? Timparibot. Ganito rin yung motor na dala niya. Tuda. I love Tudan. Kabayan, Benguet.
Patatay. Dami eh.
Dapat picture natin sila, baka madiscover natin si ano, Patatas Man. Mainit yung pa ba to? Bugyas Benguet. Bayan Benguet. Mainit na dyan sa'yo. Ayan, nagbabaga na yung nakalas. Pag nakalas yung preno na ito, sisemplang ko na lang to kaysa malaglag sa bangin. lalo. Ano ka naman lalong maano. Ano? Nangangamoy na? Baba ka na muna. Pahinga natin. Init nga. Baka mabiyak. So ayun, nagpahinga muna kami. At yung preno namin ay masyado nang mainit. Masyadong mataas yung inakyat namin. Magmamagaling kasi kami. Nag-init yung preno.
Balay, bokod, gabayan. Bokod pala to eh.
Nag-init yung preno natin. Masyadong matarik. Tapos pababa pa tayo mamaya.